When your attitude program, but it's an issue that we need to talk about. And Ebia, chairman of Defense and Interior, as some way no bang and Obian team and can anyway. Let me start with Ejura. So, Ejura, and then me briefing, and when me briefing, any now. So say, Ejura. Even the MP is a member of the Defense and Interior Committee. Although there were SSs, he said it plainly, he said, I'm hearing your politics, and your politics. Now, me name say, me no Kuragu Hospital was a bako, a canine, bako, a born her. What me na on one casa a MP, catch us away MP before. But I've said it several times. I'm saying it here again. Say entokwa beba Ghana ha emu media fo false reportage ye hwe ni ye ebi esi baabi o ebi esi baabi enti we are not different. Rwanda media fo over 800,000 people died. The false reportage from Joy FM, they have to be careful. And then read my list. May catch them say, my boss, my kunta obaha, and in Bekasa catch me blame. And then may come Matthias and Joy FM. I be a muyena. Mostly MP before and Shamu ye into my best sabotage you. About Bomutriso. Who boss ran a kind, owner of the business. Catch them blame, say, Joy FM for say, MP before Shamu. And he, my best sabotage you. Tell your boss if I'm lying. Let me tell you, my officer no buy. He told me. I told Gabi and the rest, Joy FM4 complains. But I've met Joy FM4 and what Gabi fee. And then I'm going. And then I'm going. You want to destroy the nation. Now, this boy should be beaten seriously. It's so annoying. Some journalists answers Obama should beat the hell out of him. May a president say, "Be a guap boy with bad." Other media we are above the law. You are not above the law. Because Obi Akukumniya. And you go and report say, well, fix the country activists. And you see word mob. Mob and Akuku. What do you gain? And then Nipa Mienwa say, and Nipa Miensa and Joy FM. She is ashamed of yourself. What do you catch them? Let me catch them. They catch him straight. You bia. When you grab it, you go there. Grab it, you go there. Please, and you got nerves to criticize politicians? We are fucking corrupt. Corrupt. We are so corrupt in this country. Why? What is going on in this country? False reportage. Some mob and Nakokum boy. I'm a Nipa Mianuso as I'm a Mianuso the hospital. Is that how you make money? Is that how you make money? Joy FM. Obviously, I can take you people on. What would you so? Neighbor, what would you pass it? My name say Edia Yakupon or Dimakoshe. Can't tell me the bad joy for interior defense in the because of that, no, but and this one I'm not going to talk about why, because we're supposed to go there on Monday and the Akosha Thursday. So I will not talk about that yet. But I'm fully briefed on Ejura. Complete lies, complete false reportage. How many people? If not timely intervention about Gifty Nuanka Sakran Unim. Let me tell you, there's a lady called Gifty, very well, Kumasi Mikwe Jurani, very active in Jura politics. I think she contested with the NCE for and Roman Farmer. This Kaka was supporting Gifty. And in the grown friend Gifty, whatever, the nickname often go on way in initial support to Gifty. And see, near MPPIA Ayano or Chat Noaka, near MPPIA and Yano, the MCs or Yen Noaka. It took that lady to go and intervene. Said no, Omunya Butremie. What you say? Because Akwani create impression say MC MC supporters and ekoyesa ekokum guy Joy FM and he is kind of poor we are saying and he is kind of poor we are saying you guys have to be careful.
I'm somewhat a committee and more dear Jumano.
May say Joy FM only a fake only a corrupt me na ka miss one kasa boss e ba ha be ka kire ne say Joy FM force ye hwe wo mu jinu wo mu be haye and that is exactly what we are doing. Who boss na be kai o boss the owner of the business was here men kan your time o ba ha o ba say emro ka say 45 kilometers radius na me a chairman of the communication committee to ba no ne me kasa say yen hwe na extend na investment Obi aye ya will limit you to 45 kilometers na when you finish he told me what's akunta ya mu hwe ni na me boys no o ma minim pa o so mo hwe o mu o na ka che that is exactly what we are doing so Ghana for nima me mo mo Joy FM o me very corrupt but you know who are adom who your friend is back on asempa and so you cannot say multimedia.
Yeah.
You can't. Because we are monitoring all the three. Now we are greedy bastards. Joy for no. Musika amunya, uhe manasa no, obi obefiri obi are greed, corrupt. What nerves do you have even to criticize somebody in this country? Check your home. We are Joy FM near check your home. How corrupt you are. Abu be Ghana, ebe kumutiriso. There's a Ghana say, if we say Joy FM will be there to make those fake news. You will not be there. You will not be spared. All of us are not going to be spared. Maybe because Central African Republic